Hey, how you doing? My name's Stu Sterling. Welcome to this video and welcome to this first part of the affiliate marketing course. How to make your first affiliate commissions. So affiliate marketing is a cool business model. You don't have to create your own product, you just go and promote other people's products and you get paid a commission for when you make a sale. So I've been doing affiliate marketing and internet marketing for a few years now, so I know kind of what works, know what doesn't really work. So I'm gonna take you through a little bit of a mini course on how to get started with affiliate marketing. But before we do that, if you're new to my stuff, if you're new to me and my website and my email list or whatever, go and click the links down below. I have some cool free stuff that you can go and download, so check that out and then come back and we can watch the rest of this training video. Alright, so here we go. Might help if I click the right button. Here we go. Okay, so there's 4 things you need really to succeed with an affiliate marketing campaign. So first off, you need a hungry audience. Okay. Second, the right offer. Third, a traffic conversion machine. And then fourth, of course, you need the traffic. So in this course, I'm gonna run you through these 4 parts in a little bit of detail. So in this first part, I want to talk about the hungry audience. So the first thing is, people talk about niches and all that kind of thing, and that's all cool, but you really have to narrow down and specify the precise person that you're trying to target. Okay, so let's have a look. A hungry audience, like, it's a person with a problem. And the bigger the problem, or the more urgent the problem, the better it is for you as a marketer online, because you can offer them like an instant solution. They order online, they go download it, or they go whatever, and then they have that solution to their problem. So when thinking about what kind of person is hungry and what kind of person is desperate and who wants to buy now, you have a look at the problems. So I've got a couple of examples here. So, money is a big problem. People are under a lot of stress. They got bills to pay, future or something, they got a mortgage, they got car loans, whatever. So that's a big problem. It's on people's minds. They're looking for a way to make more money. People want to look better. People want to look as good as they possibly can for Instagram or Facebook or whatever. So they're always trying to, lose weight, shape up, tone their muscles, get rid of freckles, get rid of wrinkles. Skincare is a big thing, anti-aging, that kind of thing. Same thing with pain, sickness. If someone's in pain, if they got like a bad tooth, yeah, they should go to a dentist. But if they've got some other pain and they just want some quick relief, like back pain or neck pain, if you can offer them a way that they can relieve that pain quickly, then they'll be keen to get that solution. Career, if they're under pressure from their boss, they've got a presentation to do, or they've got some kind of deadline that they got to meet, they've got to pass a test or something, people are looking for a solution urgently. Same thing with schooling, how students at university, they need to pass tests, they need help with that. That's another good area to look at as well. Relationships, people are looking for love. They're trying to save their marriage, or they're trying to get back with their ex or something like that. Those are areas with a lot of desperate people. Okay, events, if any big life events that happen all the time, birthdays, a mother having a baby, people getting married, Christmas, all the big events, there's money being spent, camping, holidays, whatever, there's money being spent whenever there's a big event approaching. Hobbies, I wouldn't put hobbies right up there on the kind of desperate, hair on fire kind of niches, but people with hobbies, they are passionate about their hobbies, and they're always trying to improve, whatever sport or whatever hobby it is, fishing, camping, they're always into it. They're always going to be looking to get the next best thing for their car or their bike or their fishing tackle box or whatever. So, you know, hobbies, it's an ongoing thing, it's long term, and that's kind of a niche where you can profit over the long term. For example, if you've got like an email list, and that's kind of what we're going to get into with the conversion machine, which is going to be in one of the follow-up lessons. But start thinking now, you know, what kind of problems can you solve for people, and have a look at these examples that I've given you. Or if you've got something else that you've experienced personally, or someone close to you has experienced, something that you're a little familiar with, is a good place to start. So think about that. Just remember, you know, the more urgent or the bigger the problem, usually most of the time the better off you'll be with your affiliate marketing. Okay, stay tuned for the next one. Remember, check out the links below. If you're watching this on YouTube or something, feel free to subscribe and like the video, comment, all that kind of cool stuff. And hope to see you again in the next part. Catch you later. I'm Stu Sterling. Bye.